Hey guys, what's up? I'm here in my table and I got the Search and Rescue Center team along with Thomas. I got Flynn, Rocky, and Harold. So happy I got Harold, the helicopter, Rocky, the breakdown crane, and Flynn too. Wish I could get the other characters like Butch, Flint, Butch, Captain, and Belle. Yeah. Clearly I don't have more of them. And Flynn isn't the only fire engine. So yeah. Yeah, Flynn is the only fire engine. I got the trumps for Flynn. I give him a fast motor. She's great. But now I have to give him a car so I can make Flynn the fire engine. I have Flynn, but I don't have Belle. So yeah. Yeah, it's sad to see I don't have Belle. I wish I can have him in my... Yeah, in my... Oh. What was that? Who made that? Who made that noise? Huh? What's that? What's this? What's this? Is that a Trackmaster Belle? Brave Belle? From Trumpster Thompson Friends Belle? Brave Belle? As seen on DVD Day of the Diesels? Huh, never expect this to arrive. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, guys. Yeah, you got me. Today we're going to be looking at... today we're going to be unboxing, review, and test running the Trackmaster, the Thompson Friends Trackmaster Brave Belle. Okay, here's Belle. Yay! Finally got Belle. Oh my gosh. From Day of the Diesels, here's Thomas with Diesel 10 and the logo and the Trump's logo and the Thompson Friends logo. And Belle, this is Belle, and she comes with a fire truck and a yellow truck. Yeah, it's cool. So happy I got Belle. Belle is my favorite characters from Day of the Diesels, and she's a firefighter, like Flynn. Now I have Belle and Flynn. Yeah, cool. So, Belle is a cool character. I like her. She's amazing. And I so love her. Yeah. Belle is amazing. Well, yeah. I'm very grateful for Belle. He takes one AA battery. Yeah, I'm grateful for that. Well, without further ado, let's open Belle. Yeah. Okay, so let's open Belle. Here's the yellow truck. It's a Trumpster 1 truck. Of course it is. And the fire truck with the alarm, the ladder. Oh, it rotates a little bit. And the water shooter where someone can sit and shoot water. This is cool. I love it. And then last but not least, my favorite firefighter, Belle. Wow. Oh, her gear is stuck. Wow, look at Belle. Belle the firefighter. Wow, look at you, Belle. Wow, so clean and spotless. So blue. So fireable. So cool, so brave. Oh, her water cap's turn. That's cool. Her water cannons. Oh yeah, they move. Well, her water cannons move. Of course they do. That's a good thing. So happy to get Belle. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got Belle. And her smile and her oval buffers back and front. Wow, her gear is stuck. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, got a little giddy, the gear. But yeah, Belle's amazing. Cool. Okay, I'm back with the battery. Now let's give Belle a battery. Shall we? Oh, sorry. Oh, I had to get another screwdriver. Let's see if this works. Hang on. Wow, it works. Wow. Hold on, let me get another battery. Try. Okay, guys, sorry for taking so long. I managed to get the motor to wake up, so, yep, Belle works. Belle runs great. Belle runs great. Cool. Okay, yeah. Cool. Now Belle runs great. So happy for Belle. Yep, Belle runs great. And that's a good relief. So yeah, that's Belle. She runs great. Cool. Okay, guys. So now I got Belle on the Trackmaster 1 truck, because Trackmaster 1's one on Trackmaster 1 truck. This is the Trackmaster 1 truck, of course. So let's give Belle her first test run, shall we? Well, guys, that was my unboxing review and test run video of the Trackmaster Brave Belle. I'm so happy to get Belle in my collection,
And I'm so happy to get another fire engine to help Flynn. I'll be soon making Day of the Diesels once I get more characters. So yeah. That's cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Well, yeah, if you want to. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace out. Peace out, guys.